Okay, hold the connector as such between your fingers. You want to hold this in line, relatively straight, and using your fingers, kind of gently press the things together so that the cable is pressed up against the back of the connector. If you pull back the crimp sleeve so that the Kevlar can go up over the connector body, and then capture it with the crimp sleeve now. Taking the crimp tool, place it over the crimp sleeve body, again holding it up against the connector body, completely compress it. Now the Kevlar is captured and crimped onto the back of the connector body. Now you can just take the strain relief boot, run that up to the back of the connector, and then grabbing the connector back in front of the boot but behind the purple housing, you can then snap the purple housing off and discard that. Now you can take the blue housing and place it over the connector and snap that on. And